Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best LG oven igniter is probably one of the most crucial components for your oven's functionality, and when it fails, it can be a real kitchen headache. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of LG oven igniter replacements, showing you how to diagnose the problem, choose the right part, and get your oven back up and running smoothly. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a beginner, we've got you covered. Number 5. Repairwares LG Gas Range Oven Igniter. This is the Repairwares igniter, designed for select LG gas range and oven models. It's a reliable replacement part to get your appliance working again. Is your oven not heating up properly? This igniter could be the solution. It's designed to address issues where the oven fails to heat or doesn't heat correctly. The igniter comes with an attached connector and ceramic wire nuts for easy splicing. This makes installation straightforward for various repair needs. Before ordering, make sure it's compatible with your LG model. If you're unsure, provide your brand, model, and model number for verification. Remember, the igniter element is fragile. Avoid touching it to prevent contamination and ensure it functions correctly. What we like. This igniter offers wide compatibility with various LG models, ensuring a perfect fit. It also comes with wire nuts for easy splicing. If you are looking for a reliable replacement that simplifies the installation process, this is a great choice. What people say. Installed by removing 6 screws total with Phillips driver. Unplugged old unit, replaced with new and replaced screws after cleaning oven base of rust and dust. Started oven and preheated quickly. Igniter is not hard to change, and it does work once installed. Was easy to install and worked perfectly. Number 4. BOGDA LG Oven Igniter Replacement. This replacement comes with a wire connector plug and ceramic nuts. The package is heavily padded to protect the fragile flame sensor. This helps ensure the product arrives in perfect condition. This is a flat glow bar style gas range oven igniter. It has a 3 to 1/2 inch length and a 10-inch lead. It operates at 120 VAC and is easy to install with its plug-in design. This oven igniter is a direct replacement for multiple part numbers and fits various LG range models. If you're unsure about compatibility, please contact us, and we will check for you. Is your oven failing to heat or light? This igniter can solve those issues. It's easy to install, but remember to disconnect the power and gas supply before beginning the repair. Each igniter has been tested for anti-aging. Don't worry if it appears discolored, this doesn't affect its use. It ensures higher heat resistance and a greater power connection, extending the life of your oven. What we like. This upgraded igniter features a durable design and is built to last. The plug-in installation makes it super easy to replace. If you like a hassle-free installation and want a long-lasting solution, then this is the one for you. What people say. I was able to easily replace the burnt-out igniter of my 10-year-old Kenmore Elite range easily with this piece. The product was well packaged and replacement was easy and, just like that, our ON was working great again. This oven igniter was the fix. Number 3. LG Oven Range Igniter Replacement MEE61841401. Is your oven not heating up? This is the MEE61841401 igniter replacement for LG ovens and ranges. It's designed to solve the problem of your oven not lighting properly. This igniter is fragile, so handle it with care during installation. Normal discoloration is expected due to production testing. Avoid touching it directly with your hands. The MEE61841401 igniter replaces several part numbers, ensuring compatibility with your LG oven. It ignites the gas to light the oven burner, restoring full functionality. This igniter fits various LG gas range oven models, including LDG, LRG, LSG, and LTG series. If you're unsure about compatibility, feel free to contact us for assistance. Made with premium ceramic and metal materials, this flat-style igniter offers improved performance and reliability. It's a cost-effective replacement part for your LG oven. The included porcelain wire connectors make installation convenient. Installing this igniter is straightforward. Simply remove the old one and replace it with the new MEE61841401 igniter. Remember to disconnect power and wear gloves for safety. It should only take about 20 minutes. What we like. This igniter is a cost-effective solution for your oven problems. It is made of heat-resistant materials, ensuring performance and reliability. If you have an LG oven and want a reliable, budget-friendly replacement, consider this. What people say. This item was perfect for my LG gas stove. This piece came in 2 sturdy boxes and fit my model stove. Fit perfect and fixed the issue with our oven. Number 2. ClimaTek MEE61841401 LG Round Oven Igniter. Introducing the brand new ClimaTek Replacement Oven Igniter. This is a top-quality part designed to get your oven working like new again. This ClimaTek part is a direct replacement for part number MEE61841401. It's designed to fit perfectly and restore your oven's functionality. This ClimaTek replacement part is built to last. You can rely on it for consistent performance and durability. You don't need any electrical modifications or adapters. It's designed for easy installation. This igniter is specifically designed to work with LG ovens. Get yours today and get your oven back to working order. What we like. This is a direct replacement igniter for your LG oven, meaning no modifications are needed. It is built to last and work seamlessly with your appliance. If you are looking for a simple, no-fuss replacement, then this is the perfect option. What people say. This one fit, and since I've installed it the oven has not generated the error and heats up every time. It has worked for 3 years without failing. My husband installed it that night and it works like a charm. Number 1. ClimaTek MEE63084901 Replacement Oven Igniter for LG. Introducing the new ClimaTek Replacement Igniter. This is a top-quality part designed to get your oven working like new again. This ClimaTek part is a direct replacement for part number MEE63084901. It's designed to fit perfectly and restore your oven's functionality. This replacement part is built to last. You can rely on it to provide consistent and reliable performance for your oven. You don't need any electrical modifications or adapters to install it. It's designed for easy installation. This igniter is specifically designed to work with LG ovens. It's the perfect solution for your oven needs. What we like. This is a direct replacement igniter for your LG oven, meaning no modifications are needed. It is built to last and work seamlessly with your appliance. If you are looking for a simple, no-fuss replacement, then this is the perfect option. What people say. Very easy to install. Igniter arrived in one piece and installed fine. So far so good, oven is working great. Perfect OEM fit and function so far. Plugs directly into original. Oven appears to be holding temperate and igniting properly after about 2 months of regular use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.